Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to lay out the inner space of the cabinet. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tool. Select a custom cabinet. Click Customize in the floating window. Step 1. Adjust the size of the internal zone. Enter the Customization tool page. Click the Design Internal Zone from the top toolbar. Select Internal Zone, Custom Inner Space in the upper toolbar. Then click on the inner area. There are two ways to operate. Method 1. You can adjust the width and height values in the parameter panel on the right. Note, you can directly enter plus or minus values in the parameter panel without manual calculation. Method 2. Press and hold the Control or Command key. Select the direction arrow and drag it to any position to stop. Step 2. Add panels. After setting the internal area size is complete, drag the panels from the material bar on the left into the interior area of the cabinet. At this time, the panel size will automatically adapt to the internal zone size. Step 3. Add doors. Click on the inner area. In the angle column of the parameter panel on the right, you can choose to switch the internal zone direction, which determines the direction of adding doors. If you need to add decorative doors on the side of the cabinet, first select the direction to install the door on the left side. Then drag the door material on the left into the location where you need to add it. That's all. Thanks for watching.